everyone, Christina here from Sheridan Art and Designs, and today I'm going to give you my top 5 tips for making your Mandalorian flight suit. Plan, guys. So I'm totally I will make that decision when I come to it kind of sewer. I am the kind of person that's like, I will make those decisions along the way. I don't need to plan every little thing out. It's fine. I'll just look at it and decide then, right? There's so many different moving pieces to this cosplay that I needed to plan these things out a little bit better. So for instance, I cut out pockets for like my phone and things on the side of my legs, and it turns out that that pocket size is going to interfere with my thigh armor because that's going to overlap over here. Things that you don't necessarily think about when you're working on one garment, right? Because you're not thinking about like, oh, 3 steps from now when I have a thigh armor to put on, it's gonna be in the way, right? So what I ended up doing is I put the pocket still on the side seam, but I shoved it back. So it's not centered on the side seam, it's back a little bit. So please learn from me and plan out all your stuff ahead of time. Think about where your armor is gonna go before you assemble your flight suit.